Hey guys, it is Tristan with Nerdouts Newsstand, and we did get a little update when it comes to Johnny Depp, and I want to talk about this, but I want to make it clear this is not the UK case against the Sun, and it is not the case in Virginia against AH. This is actually a separate case that's been going on in the background for some time when it comes to his movie City of Lies, which was only released earlier this year. They did put it on the shelf for quite some time. And basically, it is the story of the investigator in the Biggie and Tupac murders. I have yet to see it. I've heard good things, but this is surrounding that case. Now, the update that we're actually getting is when it is actually going to happen. So Johnny will have two big cases next year. Now, the first one will be the City of Lies case against the staffer, right? So the first one will be coming up, and I believe it will be February 2020. It was originally scheduled for October 25th, 2021. And the judge actually pushed it back. So this is from Radar Online. They were able to get some of the paperwork surrounding this case. And the judge officially signed off on the decision, citing an attorney participating in the plaintiff's representation is on maternity leave and will not be returning until the second month of next year. So this wasn't a serious issue why it was being pushed back. It was just simply maternity leave. Plus, there was one issue that the parties involved, so both Johnny and Greg Rocky Brooks, have not completed a MSC. Now, an MSC is basically where they go in. I think it's mandatory. Service committee. Basically, they go in and they try to settle everything. Mandatory settlement committee. So it has to be done within 90 days of the case in California. And it is they try to avoid going to trial, right? So if they're going to go in and do an MSC within 90 days, this trial may not ever actually happen. It may at that mandatory settlement committee be settled, be done, and we'll not hear about it again, depending on what happens in that situation. If you remember, basically, Rocky Brooks said that Johnny had punched him while he was on location shooting City of Lies. He got fired for 3 days, I believe it was. And then he was back. They wanted him to sign some paperwork. They said he smelled of alcohol. And Greg Rocky Brooks said he feared for his safety. Then Johnny came back and said that he feared for his safety. And it was self-defense. So that's pretty much what we're at right now, right? And we're just going to have to wait it out. It's likely it'll just be settled. It's likely this won't ever see court, but I am curious to see what you guys think about this. If you know much surrounding this case, if you think that, Johnny is guilty or vice versa, if you think Johnny is innocent, and this is absolutely ridiculous, which is, where I'm at with this whole thing. But I don't think we'll actually see this go to trial. I do think it's going to be one of those things where it's, somebody gets paid off, it's swept under the rug, and it's over. So, of course, let me know what you guys think about this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.